In this video, I'll show you how you can transfer photos from your iPhone to your computer using USB cable. So let's jump into it. So I'm using my iPhone and I've plugged in the USB cable into the bottom. Now this is the same cable I use to charge it. I don't think it's a genuine Apple one, but your cable does have to be powerful enough to be able to do data transfer, and you'll soon find out if you have a good cable or not. So plug it into your phone and then plug it into your computer. So mine is USB-C to USB-C. Now once you do that, on your screen, you will probably get a message appear or a Windows Explorer appear. This Windows Explorer is going to show your internal storage on your phone. Now the thing is, if you click on this right away, it's going to say no storage because you actually have to authorize this inside of your phone. So if you open your phone up, you'll then wait and you can then see allow this device to access photos and videos. You need to click allow first. Now if you don't have a powerful enough cable, this message won't appear and you won't be able to transfer any files if you've got it plugged in. I would first check different USB ports on your computer, but if you've clicked allow, you now should have access to your files. If you click internal storage, you can then see all of these files are opening. Now, what I would do from here is I would go ahead and go sort more and sort by the date that they were modified and descending. That's going to put your most recent files at the top. So here you can see 1st of the 4th, that is going to be April, going down into March, into February, and so on. So I'm going to click on the top folder, and then again, I would sort these by more modified by descending, and that's going to put here the most recent files at the top. Now you can also go to view and view as icons, and that's going to allow you to preview the photos. I don't want you to see my photos though, so I'm keeping it on details. By doing so, and we can go and then find the PNG files. So I can click on these images if I wanted to, and it would then open them. This one is just a screenshot of a tutorial video. Now I can then select all of the images I want by either highlighting everything, or I can hold Control on the keyboard and then click on any of these files I want. I can either then drag them, or I can right click and then copy, which is what I usually do, then open up a file destination. So I'll just put them in this new folder. You can then right click and paste. And here we have all of the images copied from my phone to the computer. So I hope that quick video was useful and did help you out.